Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the PIN on your OnePay debit card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your PIN number. Maybe you feel like your PIN has been compromised, or maybe you don't feel like using that same PIN. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OnePay app. Then on the upper hand corner, click on the window that has cash in it. Next, click on the card icon on the upper right hand corner. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Change Card PIN. Now, once you do so, this is where you'll be able to change your PIN number on your OnePay debit card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your card PIN on your OnePay debit card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.